The assessment section is talking about the risk assessment area of your compliance. You need to start out with doing a risk assessment in an area before you go in and actually do audit level criteria. And so this is talking about that section. As you can see here, we have it broken down on a per category basis. In this case, we're actually using the work program categories from the FFIEC for banking institutions. Doesn't have to be used this way, but this is the way that we're using it. So as you can see, we have different categories for the different areas of the FFIEC. We have their overall risk on a per category basis, and you have their progress indication to show how far along we are in this assessment. That's a nice management function to be able to actually see if your auditors or your risk assessors are completed with this area or not. Now I'm going to drill down into one of these categories. We're going to go into business continuity plan, or what some like to call disaster recovery. And as you can see here, now we're seeing just within BCP the different risk items that I have here. Now I just have the three because it's test demo, but it gives you an indication of what's going on. So you can see the different threat levels, the safeguard levels, and the overall scores that are in place. Now I can expand any one of these, and I can click the plus and I'll actually expand out and give us some more detail about that particular item. We're talking about BCP responsibility here. It's got the category, the cycle. That cycle can be changed by changing that drop down box and clicking OK, and it'll update right there on the fly. You can see what the threat levels are. If we have one of the templates, in this case we do for business continuity plan, these templates are imported over for you, so you can already start with data there. You don't have to start from scratch. But if you need to update this threat to make it more customizable to you, click in any one of these boxes and you can actually change that text and save that back, and that update is right there and saved for you. Now the threat levels, you have the different threat items, and what we've done is a very simple dragging system to allow you to change the different threat levels as well as the safeguard levels. And as you can see, as I actually change this, up at the top the overall score is changing in real time and is saved for you. Now what I can actually do is actually get us over to how the risk levels now are going to start affecting the objective section, and that's going to happen over in the objective area. So let's go check that out.